Hey everybody! So here's today's 4-leaf clover and 1 5-leaf clover bouquet that I got today. A little smaller because I have work to do, but I wanted to come out for a walk and see what I could find. And here was yesterday's. So today I got 7 4-leaf clovers and 1 5-leaf clover. So they're all pretty cool. This one's a little weird, but it still counts. And then we have this one. That's a pretty nice one. That one. A littler one. And a nice one here. And the final one. Alright, good luck and have a nice day.